Wow! Slice of heaven on earth right on the Tsala Apopka Lakes. Move in and you will never want to leave home again. Chic and charm describe this 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2-car garage open waterfront, pool home with boat included. All you need is to bring your fishing poles. Fall in love all over again with an open floor plan, plenty of natural light throughout, stylish kitchen with its breakfast nook overlooking the living area, lovely lake views from the sliders in the living room and even a cozy fireplace for the winter months. Right off the living room and master suite you can step out onto a large screened lanai with 14 by 32, 9 feet deep pool, where you can sip your morning coffee and have a personal invitation into Florida nature at its finest. The great blue heron strolling in your backyard, turtles frolicking among the bluegill and bass. This lovely abode has 2 additional bedrooms, laundry room, storage space throughout an oversized 2-car garage. Embrace the Florida lifestyle by inviting friends for a barbecue or drinks in your backyard pergola. With electric and fan. And watch the fish bite from your boat dock. You can enjoy cruising the lake on your 18 feet 2015 Bentley 180 Cruise SE Pontoon with brand new custom Bimini top boat and keeping it high and dry with your lift. The possibilities are endless, so come choose to live in this unique oasis of serenity. Roof, windows 2015, HVAC 2012, duct work 2017, septic pumped in 2016, interior, exterior paint 2019.